Ever wondered where the best vacation spots are? We're about to take you on a whirlwind tour of the world's most stunning yet affordable destinations. From pristine beaches to bustling cities, from ancient ruins to tranquil paradises, we've discovered the world's best-kept travel secrets. So get ready, fellow travelers. Stick with us as we reveal these hidden gems. Imagine yourself amidst lush green rice terraces, stunning beaches, and vibrant temples. Welcome to the serene beauty of Bali, Indonesia, an island paradise that's more than just a tropical getaway. Bali is a rich tapestry of landscapes, from its majestic mountain ranges and emerald green rice fields to its pristine beaches kissed by cerulean waters. The island's beauty is captivating, yet its allure extends beyond the physical. Bali is a place where spirituality permeates every aspect of life, from the daily offerings of flowers and incense that grace the streets to the grandeur of its ancient temples. Speaking of temples, the Uluwatu Temple, perched high on a cliff with the Indian Ocean as its backdrop, is a must-visit. As the sun sets, the golden sky frames this sacred place, and the traditional Kekak dance performance that happens here every evening adds to its mystic charm. Don't miss the Ubud Monkey Forest, a sanctuary home to over 700 long-tailed macaques. It's a surreal experience to walk through this forest, where monkeys roam freely amidst ancient temples and lush greenery. Bali's affordability is another factor that makes it an incredible destination. From pocket-friendly street food to affordable luxury villas, Bali caters to every budget. Don't forget to try the local cuisine. The flavors of Bali are as diverse and vibrant as the island itself. For a truly immersive experience, join a traditional cooking class. Here, under the guidance of local experts, you'll learn to prepare delicious Balinese dishes. It's an experience that marries cultural immersion with culinary delight, and you'll take home more than just memories. Of course, no visit to Bali would be complete without a swing on the famous Bali Swing. It's an adrenaline rush like no other, as you soar high above the jungles and rice fields. Bali is a place where the mundane meets the magical, where every moment is steeped in beauty and tranquility. It's an island that invites you to slow down, to breathe, and to truly live. With its enchanting beauty, Bali truly offers a heavenly experience. Step back in time as you roam the cobbled streets of the eternal city Rome. This city, steeped in history, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders and stories waiting to be unraveled. At the heart of Rome, you'll find the iconic Colosseum, a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. As you stand before this massive amphitheater, picture the gladiatorial contests and public spectacles that once filled its walls with excitement and dread. Not far from the Colosseum lies the Roman Forum. Once the epicenter of Roman public life, the Forum's ruins whisper tales of triumph, tragedy, and time's relentless march. And of course, Rome is home to the Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world. Here you can marvel at the Sistine Chapel's ceiling, painted by Michelangelo himself, and the stunning St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. But Rome isn't just about history. It's a city alive with vibrant street life and a culinary scene that's hard to beat. The aroma of fresh pizza and pasta wafts from traditional trattorias, while gelaterias serve up sumptuous scoops of gelato in a rainbow of flavors. And who can resist the charm of Rome's bustling piazzas? These open-air squares are the perfect places to sip on an espresso, enjoy a gelato, or simply watch the world go by. As for getting around, Rome's public transportation is both affordable and efficient. The city's metro and bus network connect all major attractions, making it easy to soak up the sights without breaking the bank. And when it comes to accommodations, you'll find plenty of budget-friendly options, from cozy bed and breakfasts to affordable boutique hotels. In Rome, every corner tells a story. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone seeking a unique travel experience, this city promises a journey that's as enchanting as it is unforgettable. So pack your bags, dust off your Italian phrase book, and prepare to fall in love with Rome. Because in the Eternal City, every day is a step back in time, a taste of the now, and a glimpse into the future. In Rome, every corner tells a story. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and intoxicating scents of Marrakesh. This city, nestled in the heart of Morocco, is an exotic masterpiece of culture, history, and sensory delight. Marrakesh is a city that never sleeps, and its energy is as infectious as it is inspiring. The city's bustling souks or markets are a riot of color and activity. Here you can find everything from hand-woven carpets and intricate ceramics to fragrant spices and precious jewels. The air is thick with the scent of leather and spices, and the sound of haggling vendors and clattering artisans fills your ears. It's an experience that's as thrilling as it is captivating. Marrakesh is also home to stunning palaces that tell tales of a rich and vibrant history. The Bahia Palace, for instance, is a beautiful testament to Moroccan and Islamic architecture, with its intricate tile work and expansive gardens. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and you can almost hear the whispers of the sultans and nobles who once walked its halls. And then there are the gardens. Places like the Jardin Majorelle, a lush oasis of exotic plants and vibrant blue structures, offer a tranquil retreat from the city's frenetic pace. It's a place to breathe, to reflect, and to simply be. But Marrakesh isn't just about sightseeing, it's also about unique experiences. Imagine indulging in a traditional hammam spa, where you're pampered with hot steam baths and invigorating scrubs, or embarking on a desert camel ride, where the golden dunes stretch out before you like a sea of sand. And let's not forget the affordability of local cuisine and handicrafts. From delicious tagines and couscous to beautiful pottery and textiles, Marrakesh offers quality and value that's hard to beat. Marrakesh is a sensory feast that will leave you mesmerized. It's a place where every corner holds a new surprise, every scent tells a story, and every moment is a memory waiting to be made. Breathe in the crisp mountain air as you gaze at the turquoise waters of Lake Louise in Banff. Imagine yourself amidst the towering peaks of the Canadian Rockies, where the sky is a vast expanse of azure overhead, and the rugged, wild beauty of nature surrounds you. Welcome to Banff, Canada, where the majesty of the great outdoors is at your fingertips. Banff is a landscape artist's dream brought to life. Its stunning vistas are a blend of dark, dense pine forests, snow-capped mountains, and the impossibly blue-green waters of its lakes. The scenery seems to shift with every turn, each view more breathtaking than the last. From the serene beauty of Moraine Lake to the sweeping panorama from the top of Sulphur Mountain, Banff's natural splendor is a sight to behold. But Banff is not just a feast for the eyes. It's an adventure playground teeming with wildlife. Here you can spot a grizzly bear ambling through the forest, a herd of elk grazing in a meadow, or a bald eagle soaring above. It's an experience that brings you face to face with the untamed beauty of the wild. The thrill of outdoor activities is another facet of Banff's charm. Hiking trails crisscross the park, taking you through verdant forests, along sparkling streams, and up craggy mountain slopes. In winter, the snow-laden landscape transforms into a paradise for skiing and snowboarding. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a leisurely explorer, there's an adventure to suit your pace. And let's not forget about the affordability of camping in Banff. With numerous campsites offering basic amenities, you can immerse yourself in nature without breaking the bank. Plus, the friendly local culture enhances the experience. People here are warm, welcoming, and share a deep respect for the environment. So, if you're yearning for a break from the hustle and bustle of city life and craving a connection with nature, Banff is the place to be. It's a haven that offers a blend of tranquility, adventure, and awe-inspiring beauty. Banff is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. These are just a few of the world's best vacation spots that won't break the bank. We've journeyed through the serene beauty of Bali, an island paradise where lush landscapes meet vibrant culture. We've strolled through the historic charm of Rome, where ancient ruins tell tales of a bygone era. We've explored the exotic allure of Marrakesh, a city that's a symphony of color, taste, and sound. We've marveled at the natural splendor of Banff, where snow-capped mountains meet crystal-clear lakes. Each of these destinations offers a unique experience that enriches the soul, stimulates the senses, and paints a vivid picture of the world's diversity. And the best part? They're all accessible and affordable, proving that you don't need to be a millionaire to enjoy the world's riches. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and embark on an adventure of a lifetime. If you enjoyed this journey and can't wait for more, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for our next adventure.